Are you familiar with or have you ever heard of the term microtasking? These are basically, as the name would suggest, small, manageable tasks you can do that don't require any specialized skill sets, training, or experience. In short, anyone can do these tasks. Students, professionals, stay-at-home parents, those who are in between jobs, part-timers, or those who are looking for extra jobs. When I say anyone can do it, I mean anyone can do it. And for today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 websites and apps that can help you find the right microtasks for you and to earn some money along the way. All you need is a device, cell phone or laptop, and an internet connection, and you're good to go. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'd be all set to start microtasking. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. The first website I'm going to be telling you about is actually also available as an app. This is available worldwide for free on the Apple App Store or on Google Play. HiveMicro.com is a platform where you can find listings for a multitude of available microtasks you can easily do. If you go to their website, you'll find this homepage that says Simple Tasks, Real Money. And true enough, HiveMicro.com is reliable, as you can see from the testimonials of their numerous users. The first step would be to sign up for an account. Just click on the sign up button and you'll be taken to this page where you have to type in all the information they're asking for and then click submit. Or if you have a Facebook account, you can make it easier by just signing up with your Facebook account. Once you're in, you can start applying for jobs. Like I said, the jobs available here are diverse, but there are basic categories. These are categorizations, bounding boxes, audio transcription, and semantic segmentation. Once you've chosen a job, you can then unlock it by getting qualified for it. To do that, you have to take tests related to each job which you must first pass. Once you do, you unlock it and you can start working on the job. The rates depends on the job. Harder tasks pay more, but there are also others that are more readily available but pay significantly less. Just choose which one is more appropriate for you. Payments are made weekly via PayPal or Bitcoin. Before we continue to the next website, if you're not our subscriber yet, now's the time to click on that subscribe button and to hit that notification bell. We're always working on new content for you guys, so make sure you don't miss out on our future uploads. Our second website is Microworkers.com. This platform connects employers with employees and is available worldwide and for free. Employers can create microtasks and employees can apply for them. But since this video is focused on earning, we're going to be looking at how to apply for these jobs in the website. Employees on this website are paid directly by the employers. All jobs listed here are micro jobs. This can be data mining, data categorization, surveys, data tagging, data labeling, data matching, and so much more. To start, click on the register button and start typing in your information. It's important that you put in your real name and that you choose a username you are sure of, because these can no longer be changed. Once you're done, click submit and you can start looking for jobs. Click on the Jobs tab and a list of available jobs will appear. Each task displays a set of instructions, time limits, and the amount you will be paid. Browse through these, and if you've already made your choice, click the I accept the job button and enter the proof required by the employer. Payments are sent twice a week on Wednesdays and Sundays, and there is a minimum withdrawal amount of $10 before you can cash out with your earnings. Just like the previous website, this one also uses PayPal and Bitcoin as well as other payment options. How do you like the video so far? Let us know your thoughts by telling us in the comments section below. We love hearing from you guys, and as always, we do our best to reply to each one of your comments. But for now, let's go back to our video. Our next website is called clickworker.com. This is a website that provides datasets for AI training. You can also use the app, which you can download from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. And it's available for free to anyone, anywhere in the world. To begin, click on the Clickworker job area button and you'll find yourself on this page. Here you'll find the kinds of jobs available, which are basically the same as the previous two websites mentioned before this one. Again, to start, you first have to register by clicking on the Register button. Make sure you choose the For Clickworkers category. Once you've registered, you can begin looking for jobs. The amount you get paid varies per job. Basically, some harder jobs pay more, and the easier ones pay less. Payments are made weekly or bi-weekly through Pioneer, PayPal, or SEPA. The fourth website is called sproutgigs.com. I've talked about this website in our previous video, but as one of the most reliable microtask websites out there, this should be mentioned again. This is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners and is available to users worldwide. Again, to begin, you have to create an account by signing up. Once you have created an account, you can then start applying for jobs and then earning that extra cash. It is that simple. You can get paid from 50 cents for each task to as much as $100 depending on the task you choose. Again, the harder it is to complete the task, the more money you can make. So pick and choose according to your availability and make sure this is something you can complete to make sure you get paid and that it's worth your time. But before we continue to our last website, we're almost at the end of our video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. And while you're at it, make sure you hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on more tips on how you can earn extra money online. So for the last website, timebox.com is perhaps the easiest of the websites I have mentioned so far. On this website, you get paid for such simple tasks like posting on Facebook, viewing slideshows, playing games, installing apps, or answering surveys. Again, this website is free and accessible anywhere in the world. What sets this website apart from the previous four websites I've talked about earlier are the daily bonuses. Each day, the website runs a competition where the top 100 earners win a nice bonus. On top of this, they have a referral program which allows you to earn commission for every referral you make. The registration process is the same. Just click on the sign up button and fill out the form. Or if you have a Facebook account, you can register using that. Once you have your account, you can start earning immediately. This website doesn't have a long verification process, so once your registration is approved, you get to work. Payments here are made weekly and they have several different payout methods. They use Payeer, Bitcoin, Air ATM, Skrill among others, and they also do bank transfers. And that's it for today's video. Did you find our tips helpful? Do you think you'd give these websites a try? Let us know by leaving a comment in the comment section below. And please let us know if you have any suggestions for our next video. We love hearing from you guys, and we will do our best to take in all of your suggestions. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to hit the notification bell if you haven't yet. As always, good luck and see you in our next video.